And believe it or not, this is missed at most dealerships in the United States. Write up everybody. Write that down, please. Write up everybody. Work everybody. So many people will spend more time trying to kick a buyer out of a dealership.
Sorry, we don't have that car.
Than working a buyer. How do you tell if someone's committed to buy a car? How do you tell? How do you tell?
They'll tell you if they want to buy it.
Absolutely. Before that, though, how do you tell even before that? Because why?
Because they're there.
Because they're at the dealership. So when you treat everybody like they're buying a car today, and you quit worrying about if they're qualified or all the decision makers there, all that stuff, you're just going to be in a lot better position. Start treating everybody like they can buy something, and they're going to act like they can buy something. We'll do all the pre-qualifications and all that stuff down the road, but we're going for 100% of people going through the sales process, and then 100% of the people see numbers, and they're asked to buy a vehicle today. We mystery shopped, I don't know the numbers, I'd have to look at it, I think 30 dealers in the Los Angeles area on video camera. We sent a guy in with a video camera. The dealers asked me to do this, and out of 30 dealerships, I think only 5 wrote the customer up. So a small percentage of people. Now, our mystery shopper came in and they deliberately asked for inventory that was inconvenient. They were like, hey, I want to drive that car that's 3 cars back. Can I see numbers on that? And they're written up well less than half of the time. So that's number 1. Write everybody up, work everybody. If you don't write them up, can you sell them a car? So just work everybody all the way.